Let's get back to basics with CIH Equipment Company and eGas Depot. To turn the PortaCount on, you want to first take your charging cable with the yellow circle and plug it into the back. Next, press the on button, and 3 seconds later you will see the TSI welcome screen pop up. To run a daily check, you want to remove the front storage cap. Twist the cap to the left and pull the wick out of the PortaCount. Next, you're going to reach over to the alcohol cartridge and pull out the testing wick and insert the wick into the slot. Make sure to turn it until you feel it click into place. Once you're done, tap Daily Check on the screen. Then tap the down arrow and select Demo Training Mode on the screen to load it onto the PortaCount. After it loads, tap Exit, and then the PortaCount will begin the reading from the sample inlet, the silver nozzle. Take a zero filter and make sure the arrow is facing up towards the PortaCount before attaching it into the sample inlet. Next, tap on the screen and hit Sample, and then press Start. The PortaCount will continue with the zero check on its own. Once the PortaCount is finished, you will hear it beep. Next, remove the filter from the sample inlet, and then finally tap Exit on the screen. To test the PortaCount's flow rate, you want to take a mass flow meter and attach it to the meter's tube into the ambient inlet. Next, your flow meter should then show a reading of your flow rate. You want readings as close to 0.99 as possible on your meter. A reading anywhere from 0.96 to 0.99 is considered satisfactory. How to check your results. Press the button on the screen that says Real Time. Once the button is pressed, the screen will then take you to a concentration check interface, which will show you the concentration of the particles in the room from the last reading. You can also tap Ambient Enabled to check the readings from your PortaCount in real time on the screen. For sample testing, if there are less than 1,000 particles in the air, the PortaCount will fail the test automatically. To fix this error, you would need to use a particle generator to generate particles for the PortaCount to sample. If you do not have a particle generator handy, you can use any aerosol spray, such as air freshener or cologne, to make particles as well. Remember to stand about 5 or 6 feet away from the PortaCount before you spray the air, and do not spray directly into either of the inlets. Once you have sprayed the air, you can run the test on the PortaCount again for more accurate reading. Alcohol cartridge for testing. After you take out the wick, be sure to close the cartridge container so the alcohol doesn't evaporate. You must use isopropyl alcohol at 95% or above for proper measurements. Before inserting a wick in the PortaCount, make sure to fill the cartridge all the way to the indicated mark on the cartridge and let the wick sit for at least 2 minutes. Do not shake the cartridge. Once a PortaCount is turned off, make sure to remove the wick and replace the storage cap. For information about PortaCount calibrations and accessories, contact CIH Equipment Company. Please be sure to watch more videos of Back to Basics, and remember, we're here to help with your health and safety equipment calibrations. Just call us or give us a visit at CIHequipment.com and find calibration gases and safety equipment at egasdepot.com.